Good morning. Today's day 2 of my geocaching and running trip to Virginia Beach. I'm calling it my runnercaching trip because my geocaching name is Runnercacher because I like to run and I like to geocache. Today on the agenda is my friend is on her way here, is going to join me for the weekend. We are going to go to the Virginia Beach Convention Center to pick up my race packet for the 8K. I had originally planned to run the Shamrock Half Marathon on Sunday, March 16th. But I broke some ribs, and I've decided to run the 8K on Saturday instead. So I'm going to pick up my race packet today. Today is Pi Day. There is a Souvenir, which is like a virtual badge that you can get for finding a mystery cache on Pi Day. And I can find it on Pi Day today. I can find it on the 15th or the 16th as well. So if I don't find one today, no big deal. Not sure what my plans are today for geocaching. My friend has injured her knee and she's not supposed to really put much weight on it. So I don't know how much geocaching I'm going to be able to do with her, but that's okay because I get to spend the weekend with my friend. So we'll see what happens today. There we go. There she is. Hi. This is my friend Leslie. We are at the convention center about to pick up my race packet.
And I'm racing tomorrow too.
No, she's not.
Not.
She has a hurt knee.
Not.
Leslie is getting beautified. We're here in Chesapeake, Virginia. We're going to find the Cache Odyssey, Virginia cache.
Yay!
I'm very excited about it.
Me too. It's in that box.
Yep. Oh,
Oh. Well, that's pretty big.